Hello everybody, Mike here. So today we're going to be testing this power bank. So right out of the box it has 49%. It's got the USB-C to USB-C, so that's nice. Nice little carrying case as well. Feels good, a little bit heavier because it's bigger. It's supposed to be able to charge a laptop, so we'll be able to see if it actually does that. It's got the ports on the top there. Nice looking. So I didn't realize, but my specific laptop, it's not USB-C. So I actually need to get these connectors. I got this popular set on Amazon as well. So I'm going to test some of these, see which one fits in my laptop. It's got a bunch of them. It's got the cable that comes with it, USB-C, and you just put the top on there. So I finally found the one that fits in my laptop. We plug that in. See how well it charges. It says it's fast charge, so we shall see. All right, so it's in. It's at 88%. It's about 436. So I left this in. Kind of fast forward, as you can see, the power bank is going down in power, but I don't see it actually being charged, but it's staying there. It's staying at 88%. And I'm not using it. During this time, I'm not using the laptop. I'm just seeing if it actually powers it up. This is interesting. Throughout this time, it never goes up, but then it never goes down. So you can see the power bank went down somewhat quickly. 520. Laptop is still at 88%. All right, so I'm going to take the power bank out. See, there it's 25%. I'm going to take it out and then see how quickly. Because the one good thing, at least the laptop didn't lose power in all that time, because it tends to lose it pretty fast. So once I take it out, a few minutes later, it's at 87%. So it held its power, just didn't power it up. So now we're going to test with no adapter, USB-C to USB-C. It also is a different laptop. You can see it's 100% on the bank. It's charged up. Kind of fast forward, 10:24. It says 19 minutes to fully charge. 18 minutes, it is powering it up. It's not taking that long. So completely different results when I don't use the adapter and I go straight USB-C to USB-C. So that's very interesting. So ideally, you want to go USB-C to USB-C and do not use an adapter, and you'll have much better results.